What is PPF, paint protection film for cars? Have you ever wondered how to keep your car looking brand new, especially when you are just starting to drive? One great option is paint protection film, often referred to as PPF. This is a clear, thin layer made from urethane material that you can apply to your car's exterior. It acts like a shield, protecting your paint from everyday hazards. When you drive, your car faces many potential dangers like scratches, stone chips, dirt, and even harmful chemicals. For teenagers who are learning to care for their cars, understanding how PPF works can help keep your vehicle looking fresh and maintain its value. Once applied, PPF is almost invisible. This means it won't change how your car looks or its color. It effectively protects against small scratches and dents caused by road debris, gravel, or even accidental brushes with objects. This is particularly useful for teens who might drive in areas with loose gravel or near bushes and trees, where paint damage can easily occur. Another fantastic benefit of PPF is that it blocks ultraviolet rays from the sun. These rays can cause your car's paint to fade or discolor over time. PPF also protects against corrosive substances like bird droppings, tree sap, and road salt. If these substances are left on the paint for too long, they can cause serious damage. One of the coolest features of PPF is its self-healing property. This means that minor scratches on the film can disappear when exposed to heat, like from the sun or warm water. This helps keep your car's surface smooth without needing frequent repairs. From a practical standpoint, PPF can reduce the need for constant washing and waxing. It repels dirt and grime, making it easier to clean your car. For teenagers who may not have much time or experience with car maintenance, this can be a helpful feature. While the initial cost of PPF can be a bit high, and it requires professional installation to avoid bubbles or peeling, it can save you money in the long run. By preventing expensive paint repairs and maintaining your car's resale value, PPF is a smart investment. In summary, paint protection film is a clear protective layer that guards your car's paint from scratches, fading, and chemical damage. For teens, investing in PPF can mean less worry about small damages, easier cleaning, and preserving your car's appearance as you learn to take care of your vehicle.